This lesson will be about some tips and tricks that we can use when using Vimium extension. We know that to open up new tab we can press T, but we can also specify numeric modifier before pressing T. So if I'll press 4T, that means that 4 tabs will be open at the same time. So basically lots of Vimium shortcuts support this modifier, and we can just specify the number of times the particular command has to be executed. Like in this case, we had to specify number of tabs that have to be open before pressing T. For example, another command which supports numeric modifier is moving tabs to the left or to the right. Instead of moving tabs by pressing Shift, comma, and Shift, dot, to the left and to the right, we can move tabs faster by specifying numeric modifier by how many tabs we would like to move the current tab to the left or to the right. For example, to move the current tab by 4 tabs to the left, we can press 4, Shift, comma, or to move the current tab 5 tabs to the right, we'll press 5, Shift, dot. Those numeric modifiers also work for scrolling the page up and down by pressing J and K, or in my case, since I have redefined those keys, it will be K to move down and L to move up. But we can also specify numeric modifier and press whether K or L to move up and down, and in this way the movement will be faster. Or we can even permanently increase the speed with which we will scroll the page down or up, and to do so we can add additional argument called count to the command which scroll the page down or up. I'm gonna specify 10, which means the movement down will be 10 times faster than usual. After saving the changes, you may notice that if I'm gonna move down, it will be much faster than moving up. I'm not going to persist this change, so let me discard it, and we'll move on to another tip. You may also find it useful to move current tab to the very beginning or very end of the list of tabs, and instead of doing it one by one, we can add the following mappings in here. So the first one, move tab left, will be responsible for moving the current tab to the very beginning of the list of tabs, and for that I'm going to use Option, shortcut. And to be able to move the current tab to the very end of the list of tabs, I'm going to use Option, dot. After saving the changes, let's try it out. In order to make this tab the last one, I'm gonna press Option, dot. Right away we're seeing how the first tab has become last one, and vice versa. If I'd like to make this tab first one, I'm gonna press Option, comma. There we go. Next one, there is also an interesting trick which will allow us to open up several tabs at once, but not only empty tabs, but those tabs will be populated with particular pages. So I'm going to use capital P to open up 3 tabs at the same time. The first tab will open up Vue.js documentation. The second tab is gonna open up Next.js documentation. And finally, third tab will open up Next documentation. All those URLs will have to specify in this list, like so. And after saving the changes, let's try it out. I'm going to press capital P. Right away, we're seeing how 3 tabs with particular pages have been opened. Of course, if you just need to have 1 tab open with particular page, you can just leave only 1 URL in here. I'll save the changes and try it out one more time. I'll press capital P, and there we go, only 1 tab has been opened. There is also an option to open up these new tabs in a completely separate browser window. And to do this, we'll just have to specify a window right here. And after pressing capital P this time, the new browser window will be opened with new tab in particular page that we have specified. If you'd like to open new incognito window, instead of using window, just say incognito, like this. And we're gonna get new incognito window open after pressing capital P. Or if you don't have to open up any particular page, but just new window with a new tab, you can just use window without adding any URLs, like this. And finally, last shortcut that I'm gonna mention in this lesson is Ctrl-Enter. if we will press Ctrl Enter by having search panel open, what this will do is it will take the URL of the particular list entry and paste it into the search input that we can modify, and then use this modified URL to navigate to this page by pressing Enter.